Welcome! In this video I will show how you can clean iPhone speaker. So if you would like to clean the speaker of your iPhone from water perhaps, the first step you need to take is to launch the App Store. Here either input the speaker cleaner or the water eject and download any app that, you like, or any app that seems trustworthy to you personally. It doesn't necessarily have to be the one that I'll go with. So let's say I'll go with this one. Now get the app, confirm purchase. Now we can launch the app and use it to play a sound which is going to eject water from the iPhone speaker. So first of all, this one needs to be paid for. Let's go with the 3-day free trial. But once again, that's not the app you absolutely have to use. If you are not comfortable with, subscribe into an app like this and get in the free trial, just use any other free application, of which there should be plenty. Those apps pretty much allow you to, won't be able to do that, unfortunately. Anyway, just find the app that will be free and use it to play a sound which is going to eject water from your speaker. Now, when it comes to physically taking the trash, dust and gunk out of your iPhone speaker, you may need to have a multi-tool for device cleaning, or a toothpick will do a trick, or perhaps I forgot how this thing is called, the earwax pick, or the little stick with the cotton on the end that you clean your ears with. For demonstrative purposes, I have this little injection tool with me, but I do not recommend that you use any sharp pointy objects, or at least not the ones made from metals. So the wood should be just fine, wood. So toothpick should not damage your speaker, but this metal pointy object could. And now simply make such circular motions to take the gunk, dust and trash out of your iPhone speaker. You can see all those speaker holes here. So clean them one by one, attentively and carefully, until you can visually confirm that there is no gunk or trash left inside of them. But once again, from my personal experience, the best tool to use it, if not have the special multi-tool, is a regular wooden toothpick. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.